Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're working on presentations in PowerPoint 2025, you might find yourself needing to delete a slide to keep things tidy and focused. Don't worry, it's a quick and straightforward process that anyone can master. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps, share some handy tips, and help you avoid common pitfalls. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your PowerPoint presentation open on your computer or device. If you're starting from scratch, create a new one by going to the File menu and selecting New. Once you're in your slideshow, locate the slide you want to delete. You can do this by scrolling through the thumbnail pane on the left side of the screen. That's the vertical strip showing all your slides. Now, to select the slide, simply click on it in the thumbnail pane. You'll see it highlighted, which means it's ready for action. There are a couple of ways to delete it. The easiest is to press the Delete key on your keyboard. That's the one labeled Delete or Del. Just give it a tap, and poof, the slide is gone. If you're not a fan of keyboard shortcuts, right-click on the selected slide in the thumbnail pane. A menu will pop up, and you can choose Delete Slide from the options. PowerPoint might ask you to confirm the deletion, especially if you have multiple slides, so just click Yes or OK to proceed. One thing to watch out for: if the slide has linked content or is part of a custom layout, double-check before deleting to avoid messing up your presentation. Also, if you accidentally delete the wrong slide, don't panic. Hit Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+C on Mac to undo it right away. That's a lifesaver. Once you've deleted the slide, take a moment to review your presentation. Slide numbers might adjust automatically, so everything should flow smoothly. And there you have it. That's how you delete a slide in PowerPoint 2025. It's that simple. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.